So the goal today is to attempt to show you how easy it is, or not easy it is, put a whole entire exhaust system on the car. Now, I mean it from this flex pipe back. So here on this Malibu, customer paid $500 for a new flex pipe. But, you know, bad connection here. The muffler's got a hole in it back here. So we're gonna replace everything for less than $500. So I like to build it on the car. So here's my rear converter with the resonator. I line up all the clamps. This is your 35 337. And like I said, I like to build it all. So we got everything already built. Let's do a sound bite and then let's get installing. Had to take a slight break and grab a gasket. You think for $500 they would have slapped a new gasket on, but instead what they did was they put this one, they smashed the old one in there. We're not going to do that. We're going to get a brand new one. This is the Fel Pro 61625. And it was only like $5 or $6, something like that. Yeah, it wasn't bad at all. So there's that. And that. Now we got this brand new rear converter. I don't know if those numbers mean anything. So we're just gonna start rebuilding it. Done. I just want to get it started so it holds it. There we go. I'm not going to tighten that up right now. I'm just going to let that hang for a second so I can get the next part. So the gasket that goes down here, or the bracket, is the 35337, which you don't have to install first. So I'm going to take these, slide them on. I'm about to do these. Yeah, I'm about to do these outside of the car. Alright, I'm back. Now we will. Yes, alright. Slide that on. While lifting up. There we go. Okay, that was a pain, but I got it. Like I said, I got everything loose for a reason. There. So once you get these exhaust hangers up, you can slide it back, and it's perfect, like just like that. And at this point, there we go. And at this point, it's just hang this. Now again, we're not fully doing all that yet. We got other stuff to take care of first. Alright, so now we're just working our way back. This next part, this next part, what we're gonna have to do is, I'm gonna mount this pipe onto here, and I'm gonna use a jack stand further down the line to try to hold it up. So let's see if I can get it wide enough. That's perfect, alright. Exhaust is in the way. The old exhaust is one assembly, which is nice because it leaves it less room for errors. But not nice when the whole thing is rusted off. Okay, so this is the, I don't know because they put tape over it. Something 335. Alright, so before we put that muffler on, we're gonna get this lined up to where there you go. Let's get it. This is why you want that jack stand back there. Because it helps with the angles. Okay, close. Oh, there we go. All right. There. Yeah, see, I'll angle everything up later. Like I said, we're just right now, it's all just like a rough draft is what we're gonna call it. So I think I found the issue. See how that's flat right there? I'm gonna have to just pound that out best I can because I don't have an exhaust. You can go rent one from the auto parts store. I'm just trying to hammer it out first, and if not, I'll run and grab one. I'm gonna order me one. But yeah, it's supposed to make this wider. But yeah, that's a flat spot right there. That's probably why it's not going on. All right, so these two are also gonna be the same. It's something 336. Again, I won't know because they decided to take over. And last but not least, tailpipe. And that fits perfect right in that indent. Right there. So, same thing. That. All right, now I'm going to align everything and just tighten everything up and get back to you. And there you have it. It's so quiet now. It's night and day difference. Heat shield rattling, I'll have to fix that. Found it right there. I can see that was already broke when I got here. So, I don't know, I'll fix that, but there you have it. That's how you replace an entire exhaust system.